how to create video-based worksheets. Welcome to the online teaching pedagogy session for classroom innovators. In this session, we shall discover how we can create online worksheets in which students can watch the video and then they can complete the assignment which is given in the worksheet. So let's see how do we go about it. Let's quickly have a look at the benefits. The first and foremost is that learner is involved in the teaching learning process. They actively participate, and since worksheets are able to calculate the grades, they calculate the marks, especially if they are multiple choice questions, those calculations happen automatically. So it becomes a fair and very efficient assessment of their skill, of their knowledge. They watch the video repeatedly, maybe twice, thrice, to look for the answer, and in this process their subconscious mind records the knowledge of that video, which otherwise does not happen in classroom or just by the passive viewing of the video. Then you can easily gauge the impact of learning, since a lot of analytics is generated from the worksheets, which we will see how the graphs and charts are generated, and those charts will give you a clear view about the learning of the learners. As they watch the video and try to find out the answers, their observational skills, their skills for analyzing the learning and answering the questions, and their critical thinking, all these skills are developed subconsciously. Then it encourages the students who are average performers, those who are introverts, do not like to interact much. They would love these worksheets because it's something which they are going to do on their own, so they would be more involved in such kind of learning. In this process, you are putting the responsibility of learning on the students also. When they watch the video, they observe the things, and this takes the students outside the book. This kind of video-based worksheet takes them out of their normal routine, and this gives them a sort of experiential learning experience. As you create more worksheets, let's say if you create 4 worksheets in a month, by the end of the year, you have a huge lot of worksheets which you can use again and again across the years. As students go through the videos, as students solve your worksheets, your image of a smart classroom innovator is created. So this becomes not only a very enriching experience for students, it gives you a lot of satisfaction that learning on your topic is happening in a very different, in a very enriching way. And of course, when you update your resume, it reflects brilliantly on it that how effectively you had ensured as a classroom innovator to ensure enriched learning for your students. What are the steps involved in creating video-based worksheets? Let's see. First of all, you locate the video, which video you are going to use online, and then you prepare the questions beforehand. Then you go to Google Form and you create the online form. In the form, you bring that video, you embed that video, and then you add the questions based on that video which you had identified in the first step. Once you test your form, if it is working fine, video is running, all the questions are in place, then you share the worksheets with the students. Once the students submit the worksheets, once they visit the Google form and answer the questions after watching the video, automatically those responses will be collected in the form of a spreadsheet. That data you can use for analysis. What is the impact, how they have answered the questions, and that gives you a clear picture regarding the learning of a particular topic through that worksheet. And once that entire process is completed, all the students have given the response, or the deadline for the worksheet is over, you can switch off the worksheet so that no more responses are welcome from the learners. Let's now move on to the practical part of it. So rest of the video is self-explanatory. You will get the indicators and the labeling as video moves on. So not only you enjoy the music of the video, take away the learning also.